Only three practical ways of speaking English. Yes, only three practical ways. Because you can search on YouTube, you may find very much big explanations, so many methods. But the three ways which I'm gonna be teaching to you right now will be unique and different one. This is not what I am speaking, you will say after this video. So let's get started without wasting our time. It is very common in India that we can think, write, judge and read in English. But when it comes to speak English, there we freeze, there we stuck. What is the use of knowing grammar very deeply? What is the use of knowing English in my mind or in my heart? What is the use of reading only English, that we can read English, that this is not enough? But if we cannot speak it out, it is no use at all. Today we are gonna be learning three very unique and practical ways of speaking English. We all know that confidence is a must in order to do anything. And where does the confidence come from? If we are not skillful enough, we cannot have enough confidence in us. In order to be confident, we need to be skillful. What if I tell you only three practical ways? Let us apply, and then we will have a good enough skill and good knowledge of speaking English out. And we all know that most of us don't have time. We have time to watch movies. We have time to watch web series. We have time to watch cartoons. We have time to scroll the reels and all. But we don't like to spend time to learn English until and unless we are not going to give time to ourselves in order to learn English. There is no other way. First practical way is write down and speak it out loud. Yes, because the Janhvi Panwar, the wonder girl of India, she is from Haryana and she can now speak in 8 accents. How she could speak? Only by writing down and speaking out loud what she have written down. Try to write down your daily routines like you can read on your screen. Because when we start writing down our daily routines, we know we wake up from the bed, we know we brush our teeth, we know we do certain things, and at last we sleep at night when it comes to conclude our daily routine. So this is the way to write down and speak out loud. There is no any other way of learn how to speak English than only to speak. You have to try and try over and over again. Speak and speak. We know how to write because we have written it while we were in the school. We know how to think in English because we have already thought that in English. We know how to read English because we have already practically read English. So in order to speak English, we have to do practical way of speaking it out. So very important, first one, we have to write down and speak out loud. And you can do it like that also. You can take 4 to 5 pages in a daily routine, then read it loud. Do it for the 1 month and you will see the best result of how fluent and how best English you are able to speak after 1 month. Second one is mimic. Yes, you have heard right, mimic. Mimic, what does it mean? अगर मैं हिंदी में कहूँ mimic का मतलब नकल करना. मैंने कई सारे ऐसे लोगों को देखा है जो मिमिक करते हैं, जो नकल करते हैं, लाइक ऋतिक रोशन की नकल करते हैं, शाहरुख की नकल करते हैं. What is the meaning of mimic? Mimic means to copy the same voice, copy the same personality, same thing as it is. Try to mimic the news, the BBC news. And some of the movies I will recommend you are to watch in order to learn English. There are 5 movies and the first one is Toy Story 1995. And second movie, The King's Speech 2010. The third one is Jurassic Park 1993. Fourth one is The Social Network 2010. And the fifth one is Forrest Gump 1994. So these 5 movies you are to watch in order to speak out English fluently. So these are the very practical way of speaking English. In India today, who can speak a very fluent English? Janhvi Panwar has told himself in an interview that I used to mimic news, I used to mimic after cartoon, I used to mimic after the movies. So this is a very much best and better practical way of speaking out loud English fluently. Third one, last but not the least, like-minded friends. Or in another word, I would say team up. Team up. I should have a friend who can speak English so that when my friend talks to me in English, I can also reply in English. We know in India there is a show by the name of the Kapil Sharma show. Those people are comedians. So there is Kapil Sharma, and along with Kapil Sharma there is Dr. Gulati and Chandu and so and so. So these all people are one team. So they have teamed up. So what is their category? So their category is comedian. They are comedian. So they have teamed up. So they are like-minded people, and that's why they are successful today. So same way we need to apply this method into our lives. We need to have like-minded friends, like-minded people. Or in another word, I could say we need to team up with our friends who are like-minded, who have desire to learn English or to speak English, or we can have our friendship with who have the very good fluency of speaking English. Let me tell you one thing, people will criticize us, people will mock at us, people will laugh at us, but we need to keep on continue. We need to look forward a bright future. So these 3 very practical ways we need to understand and we need to apply into our life so that we can speak out loud English very fluently. So that's all for today, folks. See you. Bye bye.